Mark Cuban and a former SEC official weigh in on cryptocurrency regulation as they predict the price of Bitcoin. The most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is now down 1.10% on the day, trading at $30,869. During this price fluctuation, prominent individuals including Mark Cuban and a former SEC official have offered their opinions on cryptocurrency regulation, providing important insights into the changing regulatory environment and its possible impact on Bitcoin. In order to provide traders and fans with important guidance as they navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, this forecast analyzes the perspectives put out by Mark Cuban and the former SEC official. Mark Cuban attacks the SEC and U.S. crypto regulation. Owner of the NBA's Dallas Mavericks and Shark Tank contestant Mark Cuban has criticized the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for its decisions on the regulation of the cryptocurrency business. Many proponents of cryptocurrencies have voiced their displeasure with the SEC and its chairman, Gary Gensler, accusing him of overly emphasizing enforcement actions in their regulatory approach. Recent enforcement actions by the SEC were launched against well-known cryptocurrency exchanges including Coinbase and Binance. Cuban emphasized the need of accepting the fact that cryptocurrency is a technology that, in the end, will succeed or fail based on its own merits. While conceding that the SEC, like any institution, is prone to make mistakes, he criticized the SEC for adopting an expensive and incorrect regulatory policy in the area of cryptocurrencies. While SEC Chairman Gensler has insisted that the current legal and regulatory frameworks are adequate to regulate the cryptocurrency industry, many inside the industry have been calling on the SEC to create more precise rules and regulations that crypto firms must adhere to. A separate registration process for cryptocurrencies and the creation of a framework for token registration that can handle diverse token types were two proposals made by Mark Cuban last month on how the SEC might govern the market for cryptocurrencies. Cuban's advocacy for cryptocurrencies has bolstered market confidence and lessened Bitcoin's losses. The CBDC has been dubbed the most absurd financial idea ever by a former SEC official. The creation of a central bank digital currency, CBDC, has drawn criticism from John Reed Stark, the former head of Internet enforcement at the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, who called it the most absurd financial idea in the history of monetary policy. He expressed worry about the unneeded dangers it poses to the stability of the global financial system as well as the possibility of privacy difficulties, interpersonal conflicts, and cybersecurity problems. As a result of being governed, audited, and controlled by democratic government agencies, as well as being run by regulated, FDIC or SIPC-insured, U.S.-registered financial institutions, Stark emphasized that there are already many digital currencies that are trusted and work efficiently. The Digital Dollar Pilot Prevention Act, filed in May by Congressman Alex Mooney, RWV, forbids the Federal Reserve from creating, approving, or implementing a program to examine the viability of issuing a CBDC. The CBDCs have drawn objections from other states as well. Governor Ron DeSantis of Florida passed legislation in May that forbids the use of a digital currency issued by a central bank in his jurisdiction. Stark's preference for cryptocurrencies over CBDCs has contributed to the Wednesday decline in BTC prices. Price prediction for Bitcoin. Technical research indicates that Bitcoin is currently running into resistance close to the $31,000 mark. However, it is currently holding at about $31,050, slightly above this threshold. A bullish trend is more likely if a bullish engulfing candle is present on the daily period. The next objective for Bitcoin might be around $32,500 or even higher at $34,150 if it is able to successfully break over the $31,350 level of resistance. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, among other technical indicators, point to a bullish attitude for Bitcoin. The upward trend is also being supported by the 50-day exponential moving average. On the negative side, it's possible that emergency support will cost roughly $29,650 or $30,500. If the price drops below $29,650, it might go as low as $27,900 or possibly lower, towards $28,650. As a result, it is critical to keep an eye on the $31,000 level because it may signify the beginning of a Bitcoin purchasing trend.